Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Maniology, Whimsy, and Folklore and MXM069. Here is Whimsy from Maniology. It's a blue with some shimmer, and this gray is called Folklore. I've already got Nailtiques Formula 2 on my nails, and here we go. We're going to pop in with painting these polishes on the nails. Getting used to the short nails and how much to load the brush. Getting a little better about that. There we go. Cap my free edge here. And you can see this could be a one coater, but we're not doing it that way. We'll end up doing two. And here we go with Folklore. Another beautiful polish with a great formula. Another one that could be a one coater. Gotta get Woody out here. Hi Woody, how you doing? Alright, so here we go with our second coats. Now that first one's dried down a little bit. Very, very nice. And it is very cold and wet and icy here today, so this manicure right here just fits the bill. Totally. Woody back again. There we go. Oh, that camera's bugging out. There we go. I'm going to top these with Out the Door from I&M. It's a top coat I get from Sally's Beauty Supply. We're going to get those to dry down so that we can get to do some stamping. Woody's very busy on this video. He's got lots of messes to clean up for me. I don't know why it wants to bug out on that finger. The camera's just crazy. Alright. But the polishes themselves are really, really nice. And here we go. We're going to have a swatch photo of these on their own. And here is Maniology MXM069. Gonna get that blue film off of it. And then wipe it down with some acetone and my finger. And then I'm going to be using a Maniology stamper and the H. La Corsadora scraper. And I'm going to stamp with the same polishes I just used to paint my nails with. We're just going to plop some different images here onto these nails. Now, with my nails being so short, I really don't get all of the, the full effect of these images. But, not everybody has really long nails, so, and now I don't, so I'm just using what I got. I really do like the Stampin' Plate, though. I thought it was really nice. And the Stampin' Polishes are fine as well. They work well together. I like it when the boxes are like this, where you can use just the stuff in the box pretty much, well, minus the stamper, and get a really cool manicure that they stamp on top of each other and all that. Okay, that one was a no-go. We're going to try that. We're going to try something else. Alright, here we go. One more. I really like these, though, with that open spot in the middle. I think those are really cute. Very nice. And that one, my pinky nail is so tiny, I'm just going to use some of that extra to fill in and add just a little bit more image to it. Alright, so when we're done, I'm going to clean this plate up with pure acetone, give it a real good scrubbing, and a wipe down with the paper towel. And you can tell that plate is etched really well. It's just chewing that paper towel up. I'm going to hop in here with a piece of tape and get this excess up off of my skin the best I can. Alright, and now we're going to use some acetone and a cleanup brush to finish cleaning up. Very, very smooth, easy cleanup. Nothing crazy on this one. Coming up very nicely. Alright. Come on, get her done. There we go. I'm going to top these with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. We're going to get these to dry down so that we can do some more playing. And now that that is dry, we're going to add Poshe top coat to seal this design in. Give it that glossy, plump, glossy look to it. And to help the manicure last longer. Get that free edge again. I'm going to have to figure out what's going on with this position of this camera and that one nail. Kept that free edge also. And here is my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.